Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro using Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and then you have to simply type in www.canva.com in the top navigation bar like this. And after that you have to simply put in your login credentials to log into your Canva account, and you have to just simply open up the account that you would like to use and then choose a design, and it will simply take you to this page. And here you have to simply type in the YouTube intro, and here you can see, and then click on enter. And after that, here you can see there are lots of YouTube intro option from here. So let's say I would like to go for this one. Click on this, then click on customize this template. Please note that there are some version that you need to use. If you would like to use those, then you have to purchase the Canva Pro, and there are some free version as well. And here you can see that the video is already showing here. Just simply play it, and here you can see the video is playing perfectly. You can just choose any of the section from here and just simply edit those as well. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.